Easiest way to get six-pack abs. Getting a picture-perfect six-pack abs is a goal of many. The thing is, this goal requires so much hard work and dedication. However, you don't need to hit the gym every day nor become a professional bodybuilder to get those abs. Rather, you just need to modify your diet and lifestyle to produce long-lasting results. Below are some simple changes you can follow to get six-pack abs quickly and, more importantly, safely. Number 1. Aim for more cardio. Cardio exercises increase your heart rate, which helps burn more fats, speeding up your way to a set of six-pack abs. Studies found out that cardio is incredibly effective in reducing belly fat, which is crucial as it will make your abdominal muscles more visible. Try to get in at least 20 to 40 minutes of moderate to high-intensity exercises per day. Swimming, biking, running, and walking are a few of the many easy ways to incorporate cardio into your day. Number 2. Work out your abdominal muscles. See the long muscle that vertically runs along the length of your abdomen? That's why they're called rectus abdominis. Exercising these muscles is integral in boosting your muscle mass and revealing six-pack abs. Do note, however, that abdominal exercises alone aren't enough to decrease belly fat. Instead, you need to combine it with regular cardio and a healthy diet to maximize results. Exercises like planks, abdominals, and bridges are some of the most popular ones to strengthen your rectus abdominis. Number 3. Boost your protein intake. Who would have thought that upping your intake of certain foods can burn belly fat and aid in muscle growth? Yep, as unbelievable as it may sound, but this is possible with high-protein foods. According to one study, eating high-protein meals boosts the feeling of fullness and controls the appetite of 27 obese and overweight men. Protein, when eaten after working out, can also support muscle tissue repair and recovery. Also, a high-protein diet can preserve muscle mass during a weight loss journey. Number 4. Stay hydrated. Water is life itself, as it proves to be a crucial component of every health aspect. Drinking tons of water can boost your metabolism, burn excess belly fat, and make it easier for you to get six-pack abs. Moreover, it can reduce your appetite and enhance weight loss. The recommended water intake is around 1 to 2 liters per day. Number 5. Ditch processed foods. Heavily processed foods such as chips and crackers are normally laden with calories, fat, carbs, and sodium. On top of that, they have low nutrient content, specifically lacking in fiber, protein, minerals, and vitamins. To achieve six-pack abs, stop eating this junk and switch to whole foods instead. Whole foods need more energy to digest, which can burn more calories and keep your metabolism worked up. Number 6. Minimize refined carbs. In addition to processed foods, you should also cut back on refined carbs if you want to lose fat and gain abs. Refined carbs are low in nutritional value due to the vitamins, minerals, and fiber content being stripped off during processing. The more your body has them, the more spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels happen. This then leads to increased food intake. Getting a set of six-pack abs cannot be done overnight. Your diet and lifestyle are the 2 most important factors. Those 6 modifications we have discussed will immensely help you achieve your body goal. For questions or comments about this video, write them below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.